So I asked Claude for the best free websites for Blender, and these 5 are unreal. Everything is free to use in most of it CC0. Number 1 is a cheat code. First, 54,000 free assets you drag straight into Blender without ever leaving the app. Next, ambientCG, 2,800 photo scanned materials, every map included, 0 attribution. Then Kenney, 60,000 game-ready assets, all CC0. One guy just gives them away. Quaternius hands you rigged characters and full animation libraries, free in ready-to-open Blender file. And number 1, Polyhaven, 16 textures and models, all CC0, no sign-up. It's the gold standard, and it's free. Five sites, 0 cost, all yours. Every link is in the description. Go grab them.